In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create this bouncing logo in Python using Pygame. As always, we first import Pygame and then initialize it, and then we create a screen with a resolution of 600 by 600. Then we create the needed variables. So we create logo pose, which holds the X and Y position. We create logo image using Pygame image load and then the image. And we create X move and Y move. In the main loop, we calculate the position of the logo, move it, and draw it finally. And lastly, we check if the user is closing the window, in which case we're gonna enter program. In the calc pose function, we check if the logo is still within the game field. If the X or Y value position shouldn't increase, we set the value to true, otherwise we set it to false. So for example, if the X or Y value is less than 0, we set the X or Y move to true, so the value is increasing. In the move function, we increase or decrease the X and Y position according to the X and Y move boolean. Finally, in the draw function, we fill the background in white and then draw our logo using blit and pass over the logo and the coordinates. If we now run this script, we see our new created bouncing logo app, and as soon as the logo reaching a border, it starts bouncing back in the other direction. That's it. See you next time.